On a warm summer's day, if you pause and listen, you'll hear a gentle, industrious buzzing, the sound of bees at work. This sound has filled our world for millions of years, yet we often overlook the tiny creatures behind it. Bees are more than honeymakers or a nuisance. They are the unsung heroes of our planet. Their daily flights are precise missions, ensuring the survival of countless plants and, by extension, animals, including us. Without bees, our world would be duller and hungrier. The familiar honeybee is just one of thousands of bee species, each with a unique role in nature. From carpenter bees to metallic sweat bees, their diversity is staggering. Bees are the quiet gardeners of our planet, tending to wild meadows, forests, and backyards. Next time you hear that buzz, remember the vital work behind it. This journey will explore who bees are, what they do, and why they matter. Because a world without bees is a world we cannot afford to imagine. When most people think of bees, they picture the European honeybee, but that's just one of over 20,000 bee species worldwide. Bees thrive on every continent except Antarctica, in habitats from rainforests to deserts. Most bees are solitary, not living in hives or serving a queen. Solitary bees build their own nests, gather food, and raise their young alone. Bumblebees, another familiar group, form small annual colonies and are vital pollinators in cooler climates. Bees come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny Perdita minima to the giant Wallace's bee. Their diversity ensures that a wide range of plants are pollinated, supporting resilient ecosystems. Different bees are adapted to different flowers, making them irreplaceable in nature's web. A healthy world needs not just bees, but a rich diversity of them. At the heart of the bee's importance is pollination, a magical partnership between plants and animals. Flowers offer nectar and pollen. Bees collect these, and in the process, transfer pollen from flower to flower. This act allows plants to produce seeds and fruit, sustaining both plant and bee. About 1/3 of our food relies on pollinators, with bees as the star players. Without bees, supermarket shelves would be sparse, and our diets far less varied. The quality and abundance of fruits and vegetables depend on effective bee pollination. From vast orchards to backyard gardens, bees shape the food we eat. Well-pollinated crops are larger and more nutritious. Bees are not just helpers, they are the foundation of our food system. Every bite of fruit is a testament to their vital role. Bees are keystone species, shaping wild ecosystems far beyond our farms. Their pollination supports wildflowers, which in turn feed and shelter countless other creatures. Diverse bee species ensure a rich tapestry of plant life, supporting entire food webs. Bees help forests and meadows thrive, stabilizing soil and providing resources for birds and mammals. The loss of bees would trigger a cascade of decline in plant and animal diversity. Protecting bees means protecting the very fabric of life on Earth. Thriving bees signal a healthy environment. Their decline is a warning. By conserving bees, we safeguard the wild places that make our world vibrant. Bees are not just ecological marvels, they're economic powerhouses. Their pollination services are worth hundreds of billions of dollars globally each year. Many crops, from almonds to avocados, depend almost entirely on bees. Migratory beekeeping is a massive industry, moving hives to pollinate crops. Bees also support the honey and beeswax industries and even livestock feed production. Healthy bee populations sustain rural economies and local businesses. Investing in bees is investing in food security and economic stability. The humble bee is a tiny engine of prosperity. Bees are surprisingly intelligent, with complex behaviors and communication. Honeybees use the waggle dance to share precise directions to food sources. They can learn, remember, and even solve problems, like pulling strings for hidden nectar. Bumblebees can learn by watching others, a trait once thought unique to higher animals. Bees navigate using the sun, landmarks, and even polarized light. Their tiny brains solve complex challenges daily, like optimizing routes between flowers. Bee intelligence is a marvel of evolution, enabling them to thrive in a complex world. These skills are key to their survival, and ours. Despite their resilience, bees face a global crisis. Habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change are driving alarming declines in bee populations. Urban sprawl and monoculture farming destroy nesting sites and food sources. Pesticides, especially neonicotinoids, poison bees and disrupt their abilities. Climate change causes mismatches between bee activity and flower blooms and spreads disease. These combined threats make survival harder for even the toughest bees. Without urgent action, we risk a silent spring and a fragile food system. The time to help bees is now. The good news? We can all help save the bees. Plant bee-friendly flowers that bloom from spring to autumn. Even a window box helps. Let lawns grow wild and avoid chemical pesticides. A messy garden is a bee haven. Support local beekeepers and choose organic foods to encourage bee-friendly farming. Use your consumer power to support pollinator-friendly products and practices. Advocate for policies that protect habitats and restrict harmful pesticides. Every action, big or small, builds a safer world for bees. Their decline warns us that our land management must change. By protecting bees, we protect ourselves and future generations. Let's ensure the buzz of bees remains the soundtrack of our summers. Together, we can keep our planet vibrant and alive. Gap 2S. As we rally to protect our buzzing friends, it's important to celebrate the incredible diversity within the bee family. A rainbow of species, each with its own story. Did you know there are over 20,000 species of bees around the world? From tiny tropical bees to giants of the insect world, their variety is astonishing. Each one plays a unique and vital role in pollination, contributing to the intricate web of life and supporting countless plants and animals. Honeybees, perhaps the most famous, are known for their complex social structures and honey production. These industrious insects communicate through a fascinating waggle dance, guiding their hive mates to rich food sources with precise directions. Bumblebees, with their plump, fuzzy bodies, are powerhouse pollinators, especially in cooler climates where other bees might struggle. Their ability to buzz-pollinate by vibrating their wings helps release pollen from flowers that other bees can't access, making them essential for crops like tomatoes and blueberries. Carpenter bees, often mistaken for bumblebees, are skilled woodworkers, carving out nests in dead wood. While their nesting habits can sometimes be a nuisance, they play a critical role in our ecosystems by helping to decompose dead trees and recycle nutrients. Stingless bees, mostly found in tropical regions, are tiny marvels. They live in large colonies and are vital pollinators for rainforest plants. Despite their small size, they are prolific pollinators and produce a unique, tangy honey prized in many cultures for its medicinal properties. The blue carpenter bee, with its dazzling metallic sheen, is a true gem of the insect world. Found in Asia and parts of Australia, its vibrant color is a reminder of nature's endless creativity and beauty. These bees are solitary, nesting in bamboo or dead wood, and are important pollinators for many wildflowers and crops. Meet the giant honeybee, native to South and Southeast Asia. These impressive bees build massive, exposed combs on cliff faces and high tree branches. Giant honeybees are famous for their defensive, shimmering behavior, where thousands of bees ripple their bodies in unison to ward off predators. Orchid bees, found in Central and South America, are some of the most colorful bees on Earth. Males collect fragrant oils from orchids, which they use to attract mates, a behavior unique among bees. These bees are crucial pollinators for many rare orchids, and their long tongues allow them to reach deep into flowers that other bees cannot access. Each bee species, from the smallest stingless bee to the robust bumblebee, contributes to our ecosystem in its own special way. Their diversity is a testament to the richness of life on Earth and a reminder of why it's so crucial to protect them. By understanding and appreciating the unique roles of these incredible insects, we can better advocate for their preservation. Together, we can ensure that every summer day continues to be marked by the gentle hum of bees at work, a chorus of nature's little heroes, each playing their part in the grand symphony of life. If you enjoyed learning about bees, please like and subscribe to Thoughtful Planet TV for more nature wonders.